Alright, oh here Archie, we're gonna do a video, see if that helps. So what we're gonna do is, this is your front of your system, or how it should look. So let's look at the back. So as you'll see, this is the carbon right here, this is the RO. Right here is the alkaline, sediment, KDF, and carbon block. So let's go to the back here. Let's move this over here. So the water starts out from the in here. So here's your red line. So this is what would feed the system. This is what would connect to your angle stop. And then after the red feed line, it goes through our pre-filters. This filter is called the sediment, KDF, carbon block. So after the red line, it travels through the sediment, KDF, to the carbon block, and it comes out through this out. You can see it says out right there. And then from the out, it travels to this automatic shutoff valve. And you can see the in and out on the shutoff valve. You can see direction. So after the out, after the pre-filters, we go here and it comes here to the first in, the front in. So after that, it goes in, travels through here to the RO, where there's only one fitting on here. And the water travels more through here, comes out through these two fittings. This black fitting right here is for the wastewater. So this is where the wastewater goes, to this black tubing. And right here is that 550 flow thing I told you about right here. So this 550, and it travels all the way to your saddle drain over there, where it drains the dirty water. And then here, this white one is where the good product water is. So right after the product, this white product water line, it goes to the back of the in, So after this, it travels to this side and up into the alkaline filter. So through the alkaline filter and out through the carbon, which it goes through the carbon. Notice how I have the flow in the right direction. Water's going this way. So on the diagrams I sent you the other day, this was reversed. So make sure you got that correctly. And then it goes through the T here, and then here is the hose for the faucet. And then the white hose here on the other side of the T is for the tank. Your tank's over there. So you got your tank, and then that would connect to your tank. And that's how you basically would connect it. So let's just let's do this all, let's go run over it one more time. So here's your feed line, goes through the pre-filters, sediment, KDF, carbon block, out through the out here. It says out right there, you see. And then you'll know it says in right here, because that's where the inlet is for the feed. But here's the out. You see it says out. From the out, it travels to this automatic shutoff valve where the first in is. You see in, and then it says right there, in. That's the first in. If you look at the back of these one, you'll see there's no markings on the back that can indicate in or out. Just these two signs right here. That means it could go either way. But right here is the most important part, is that after the out, we have the in, and then after the in, it goes to this out, which goes to this RO membrane. The RO membrane has the water flow through it, and it has two outlets here, a white one and a black one here on the bottom. This black one is for the wastewater. You can see that has the little directional flow 550, and it goes from this to this black tubing, which will connect to your drain saddle for the waste. So, and then after that, we got the white one here. That's for our good product water. It goes through here, travels to the back, you see. travels to the back, goes through here, the automatic shut-off, travels again through here, and then it goes through the alkaline or restructuring filter, whatever it's called. You know, it has a cap on it. And then after that, it goes through the goes through some fittings and out through here, the carbon filter. See the flow going the correct way. The T, this blue one, is to the faucet. This white one is to the tank. And that is how you do that. Well, hopefully this helps.